Once upon a time, in the heart of a small town nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, there stood a quaint little school named Sunnydale School. With its vibrant red bricks and cheerful playground, it was a place where laughter filled the air and learning was an adventure. On a bright Monday morning, the school bell chimed, signaling the start of another exciting day. In Mrs. Thompson's fifth grade class sat a boy named Sam. With his unruly mop of curly hair and eyes sparkling with mischief, Sam was known for his insatiable curiosity and boundless imagination. As Mrs. Thompson began her lesson on geography, Sam's mind wandered to the upcoming school fair. It was the talk of the town, and excitement buzzed through the corridors like bees in a summer garden. Each year, the school organized a grand fair to raise funds for charity, and this year was no exception. "Class," Mrs. Thompson announced, interrupting Sam's daydreams, "I have some exciting news. This year, we'll be organizing the biggest school fair yet, and I want each of you to come up with ideas for stalls and games." Sam's eyes lit up with excitement. This was his chance to shine. With a flurry of activity, the class began brainstorming ideas. Sam suggested a variety of stalls, from a dunk tank to a petting zoo. His classmates were impressed by his creativity, and soon, the ideas were pouring in. After much deliberation, the class settled on a theme: a day at the carnival. They would have game stalls, food stalls, a talent show, and even a fortune-telling booth. The school fair was going to be a spectacle to remember. Over the next few weeks, the school buzzed with activity as students and teachers worked tirelessly to bring their vision to life. Sam found himself immersed in the preparations, spending every spare moment designing games and painting signs. As the big day drew near, anticipation reached a fever pitch. The school grounds were transformed into a riot of colors, with banners fluttering in the breeze and stalls taking shape. Sam's game stall, Ring Toss Royal, was the talk of the town, with its colorful array of prizes and challenging rings. Finally, the day of the fair arrived. The sun shone brightly in the sky, casting a warm glow over the bustling crowds. Families and friends streamed into the school grounds, eager to experience the magic of the carnival. Sam's heart swelled with pride as he watched the crowds flock to his stall. Children lined up eagerly, clutching handfuls of tickets in anticipation of winning a prize. With a grin plastered on his face, Sam demonstrated the art of ring tossing, cheering on each participant with infectious enthusiasm. Meanwhile, the food stalls wafted mouth-watering aromas of cotton candy, popcorn, and sizzling hot dogs. The talent show stage was alive with music and laughter as students showcased their hidden talents, from singing and dancing to magic tricks and juggling. As the day wore on, the school fair reached its crescendo. Laughter echoed across the grounds, mingling with the sound of merry-go-round music and the clinking of coins. Parents cheered on their children, and friends reveled in each other's company. As the sun began to set on the horizon, casting a golden glow over the school, Sam took a moment to reflect on the day's events. The school fair had been a resounding success, raising more money than ever before for charity. But more than that, it had brought the community together in a way that Sam had never imagined possible. As the last of the visitors bid farewell and the stalls were dismantled, Sam felt a sense of pride wash over him. The memories of the school fair would linger for years to come, a testament to the power of teamwork, creativity, and community spirit. And as he walked home, hand in hand with his friends, Sam knew that no matter where life took him, he would always cherish the sunny days and carnival dreams of Sunnydale School. Thank you for watching this video.